Hi my friends, welcome back to my crafty home. Today we are on an adventure. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad that you were able to join us. So today we are on an adventure, like I said, and my husband is here coming in. We are going to go get tile. But guess what? We've already gone for tile. We picked tile and I didn't like it.
Bluetooth connection success.
We've actually gone and picked it out, and now, well, I kind of made a stink about it. I wasn't sure about it, and now my husband is so graciously bringing me back to go see if there's anything else that I would like better. This has probably been one of the hardest parts of the house, believe it or not, is picking out tiles. So let's go see what's in store at the tile store. This actually looks a lot like our countertop. It's a good example to use when trying to pick out tile. Excuse me.
Yep.
Hi, do you have this here available? It's not, I don't think it's like on your website.
We do not have it. It's discontinued in our location.
All right, we're gonna
Anything else I can
continue.
help you with?
No, we're just trying to figure out. We did buy some tile, and then we did. I don't know. I don't know if I liked it. I'm a little nervous. I don't want to put it so permanent. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Not like a rug. I'm not an interior decorator.
Do you want me to get one of our designers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would be really good.
Yeah, no problem.
And as I waited for the interior decorator, I had 1,000 tiles to look at. So I think we're going to just do this and put this maybe on the backsplash of the stove. Is that right? Help me out. So after trying to find 100 of these, that's pretty too. I think we're gonna go with these. As you can see, they have square ones, they have different color ones. Oh, these are huge compared to these. I think all in all, I think we're gonna go with this here. I think this will do it. Yeah, so we're gonna do this over the stove instead of the whole thing. Just having this as an accent with this tile, I think. So that was an adventure. So we went in there with one set of ideas and then we came out with a bunch of others, and we decided to take some back, as you saw, and we are now going to IKEA to look at some rugs because it is right around the corner. It's here.
Lingonberry jelly. Lingonberry fruit spread. Organic. Organic. Need an IKEA blanket?
Oh, look at that. It's like a window, but it's not. Night nights. Oh, we need blinds. Oh, I think we found rugs. All these are rugs. Oh boy. We got a lot. In front of the fireplace? So unfortunately, we didn't like any of the rugs that we've seen. However, it is getting to be that time where our bellies are hungry and we need to eat. So they do have a really good food court here at IKEA. So let's go take a look at some of their food choices.
Look, you can get a veggie dog for $1.15. Cheaper than a hot dog by 10 cents.
It says here, almond chocolate butterscotch cake.
I think I want one.
It's gonna be 2104.
So we didn't find any rugs at IKEA, and so now we are headed back home for the rest of the day. I'm tired, we did a lot of adventure, and now it's like, where do we find
our car.
My car is somewhere over here.
Somewhere over here.
I didn't take notice of the letter. When you park your car, you really should pay attention to the letter aisle that it's in when you're parking in IKEA. And we don't have a beeper thing on our work truck, so we could be here for days. Did you find it? Okay, so now that we're ready, we're done for our day, we're gonna go home, rest, and try to get all these tiles out of our car, and we'll probably bring those over to the house tomorrow. We love you guys. We're so glad that you were able to join us today on today's adventure. We hope to see you in the next one, everyone. Bye. It's always an adventure with this house. Lots to do before we move in. We thank you again for joining us, and we hope to see you in the next one. Here's a fun video that we think you'll enjoy. Bye-bye.